Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you why your Windows is showing this blue screen of death error, which is also called BSOD error in Microsoft terms, and how you can easily fix this issue. So first let me tell you that what is exactly going on over here. So the Windows users worldwide are experiencing a dreaded blue screen error of death, causing their systems to suddenly shut down and restart. So Microsoft has identified the issue as a recent CrowdStrike update gone wrong. So the CrowdStrike engineer acknowledged the problem. Starting CrowdStrike engineering has identified a content deployment related to this issue and reverted those changes. So the bug linked to CrowdStrike's update has disrupted operations across numerous companies, banks, government officials globally. So this issue has affected essential services and the daily operations. So each and every individual is getting this error because of this crowd strike. So how you can easily fix it? So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can simply boot your Windows into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment. For that, you just have to press the F8 or the Shift plus F8 in order to enter into the safe mode. Then what you can do is you can simply go to the specific folder of your computer, which is this path. So you need to locate the file matching this one and you need to just delete it. After that, you need to boot the host normally, which is restart your computer. So the BSOD, also known as stop, can occur when a serious bug or a virus causes Windows to shut down or to restart unexpectedly, often displaying a message like Windows has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer. So both the hardware and the software issues can cause these errors. So these are the immediate fixes that you need to follow. Here are some of the tips that are provided by Microsoft. So I'm going to tell you what are those tips. So if you have recently added the new hardware, then you just have to shut down your PC to remove the hardware and try to restart it. If you are having trouble restarting, you can start your PC in the safe mode. So as I said earlier, so these are some of the fixes that you can follow in order to immediately fix this issue. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.